I'm Jennie with Coco Daisy, and in this video we are unboxing the sticker kits, stamp subscription, dashboards, pouch, and an a la carte item from the October 2026 October Afternoon collection. There are so many really great stickers in the October Afternoon collection, and I cannot wait for you to see them because I think you're going to love them as much as I do. So let's take a look at each of the sticker kits. I'm going to start with the Daisy Weeks sticker kit, and it is sized to fit in our Daisy notebook, and that's roughly the same size as a Hobonichi Weeks planner. So as you can guess, these work wonderfully in that as well. You can see here that we have these large rectangles, and then over here we have the small boxes for writing things or layering, decorative boxes, then some headers and trackers, plus some individual decorative stickers. Then we have some different trackers, plus more of the decorative rectangles. And then these are sort of like the date covers and the icons. And then a sheet of vellum stickers that are both decorative, and then the functional with the actual dates included here, and then those washi type strips, all on that vellum sticker paper. So that's the Daisy Weeks sticker kit. Next up is the calendar sticker kit. And just like the Daisy Weeks sticker kit, this is sized to fit in our Daisy notebook, like the Daisy Weeks, which is roughly the same size as a Hobonichi Weeks. And you can use these stickers beautifully in that monthly view. And you can see that this is just different types of things on the sheet, right? We have these rectangles, then we have the decoratives over here, and then also these small little boxes. And then over here we have those date covers and the days of the week to cover the days of the week, and then some icons and other boxes as well. All right, so we have our Bible journaling sticker kit. There is a sheet of really, really pretty decorative stickers. Then we have a sheet that have different phrases and words. This big section obviously are very colorful. Then you have some white ones here, and then some, I'll call them label stickers, label/boxes. Then on this sheet, we have another sheet of a different sheet of different shaped boxes, labels, things like that. They're great for writing in, layering, all kinds of just really great uses for those. Then we have this sheet that has the, I'll say washi type strips, and then the dates, a full sheet of alphabet stickers, and then a vellum sheet that has different phrases and decorative images. And that is the Bible journaling sticker kit. The next sticker kit is the Daisy add-on sticker kit. This sticker kit isn't designed for any specific notebook, planner, anything like that. This is just a kit of decorative stickers. So you can see here we have all of these decoratives and then a handful of phrases. We have a sheet that has a bunch of larger decorative stickers, and then these different colored hexagons. And then we also have a full sheet of alphabet stickers. And last but not least, a sheet of vellum stickers that have some different phrases, and then phrases with decorative stickers, and then washi type strips. So that's the Daisy add-on sticker kit. Our next sticker kit is the Classic Cousin sticker kit. This sticker kit is sized to fit, like these boxes, for example, will fit perfectly in the columns in an A5 Hobonichi Cousin. So they're not quite 1.5 inches wide. They're basically like 1.3875 or whatever. And then there is another sheet of those, and then they have these larger decorative boxes. We have the sheet with the different headers, some days of the week, and then also the icon stickers as well. We have this sheet that has the alphabet stickers, some washi type strips, obviously they're paper, and then the date stickers. We have a sheet that has some reminders, some checklists, some trackers. We have a decorative sheet that has a few little phrases at the bottom and then just a whole bunch of individual decorative stickers. And then we have a vellum sheet that has washi type strips and then some phrases and decorative stickers paired together. So that is the classic cousin sticker kit. Next up is our memory keeping sticker kit. This sticker kit is sized for the daisy planner or a big happy planner. So these boxes are 2 inches wide. You can see at the bottom there are some washi type strips. Obviously they're paper. And then over here on this sheet, we have just a whole bunch of really cute decorative stickers. This sheet features some phrases and some dates, and then obviously a handful of little labels and decorative stickers and some more washi type strips. Then we have this sheet of alphabet stickers and a sheet of vellum phrases combined with decorative elements, and then the ever popular watercolor splashes, splotches, that kind of thing. So that's the memory keeping sticker kit, in addition to this little sheet that has the sort of prompts, if you will, for photos, journaling, those kinds of things. And that is also on the washi sticker paper. All right, the planner sticker kit is up next, and this is a very fun sticker kit. There are some really great elements. You have a bunch of really cute decorative stickers. We have a sheet that has hydration trackers, some sort of reminder type stickers, boxes for you to write in, and then a handful of trackers. And then we have some decorative boxes. These are 1.5 inches wide. Next up is a sheet that has the hexagons, some little labels, headers, and then reminders. We have a sheet that has the checklists, the trackers, and then also the dates. And then a sheet of vellum stickers that have a lot of washi type strips, and then some different watercolor splashes I actually really love these stickers a lot because I think they're really wonderful for like layering and highlighting different events. There's also a small sheet of vellum, different color dots. They're great for bullet points and checklists and things like that. So this is the planner sticker kit. All right, so the dashboards for the October afternoon collection, I think, are going to definitely be a hit, and I can't wait to share them with you because I think you're going to really love these. Now, when you subscribe to our dashboards, you will receive both A5 and personal size dashboards. So they both come together. You don't have to choose which side. And these obviously make beautiful pieces inside your planner. That's sort of what the dashboard name typically refers to. However, they are so much more than that. They're great for so many different things, and I absolutely would be remiss if I didn't mention that because they make really great decoration. They're wonderful for tip-ins in journals and notebooks and things. They are fantastic for memory keeping, like adding to scrapbooks and stuff. Like I often like to use the back side to like put photos and things on and then add them to say like a memory planner or a journal or something like that. It's really lots of different beautiful things. All right, so let's get started. We have so many beautiful designs this month. I think you're absolutely just going to agree with me there because they're so cute. This little unexpected pop of purple. I'm sure if you've been at Coco Daisy a while, you've heard Christine say that she doesn't love purple. And so it always amuses me personally when I see a pop of purple in a collection. And then you have the little black cat down there. Do you see that guy? Okay, so then this one with the stack of books too. And so then the personal size are the same, but obviously sized to the appropriate measurements and scale. So these are the dashboard subscription for the October afternoon collection. And we also have our stamp subscription stamps. But so you have like the stacked pumpkins, the little florals, the coffee cup with the leaf on the cup itself. And then we also have Hello Fall. We have a little bumblebee, a cluster of flowers, and that jacket with the scarf too. You have the barn with the flowers and the different like sort of plants growing up along it. Another one of the little girls. So there's just a lot of beautiful elements that I think are going to look really, really super cute, all inked up this month. And obviously all fall long. All right, so next we have our pouch. Now the pouch is really fun. It is our clear plastic pouch, and it's double-sided. It has a peach tassel, which is just, I love it because it's still in the orange family, but it is unexpected for sure for October. And then the backside features that barn and all of the beautiful multicolor trees, the pumpkins, all of that. I'm going to put a dashboard in here so you can see without the background of the other side. So you can see, like, for example, that's what this whole barn side looks like with the different colorful leaves. And then when we turn it over, that is what the town, the girl and the pumpkins and the little boots, all of these different little details on this little city sidewalk. Super fun, right? All right, last but not least, we do have a la carte item this month. It is one of our wax seal heads, and this one has a beautiful leaf pattern. I know that Christine shared a project this month that used this on it, and she actually used the most beautiful beads as well, the wax beads, and it just looks so, so lovely on her project. This is not a subscription. You'll have to purchase this individually in the shop, but it does go beautifully with all of the kits for this month.